Check the product to see if there is any color difference. Measure the design size. Use a cutting machine to cut the soft stone into the appropriate size. Use an angle grinder to trim the edges at a 45 angle at the external corners.
We'll use sandpaper to repair and perfect it.
Mix the adhesive, special emulsion, and water in a ratio of 20:1:4. Or you can directly use Magic Stone's special organic glue. Apply it to the back of the soft stone, or the surface of the base layer. You can also use structural glue to apply it. House Kinley notes that the interval between the dots should not exceed 50 millimeters.
When the soft stone is on the wall,
You can use wall fixer and roller coating on the surface of the base layer to remove surface dust and make it stick more firmly. It is recommended to use a tile pat to press it tightly when the soft stone is thin, to prevent the surface from being bumpy. After completion, use an air gun to fix the soft stone, to prevent the product from falling off due to its weight. Naturally paved during construction. If the gap is uneven, it can be adjusted with a blade. Paste masking tape on both sides of the internal and external corner. Stir the color corrector evenly. And apply a small amount of brush multiple times until the effect is satisfactory. Finally, tear off the masking tape to complete. You can also spray an anti-fouling cover to better protect the product.